Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode and explain all of its settings on your Xiaomi POCO F4 GT, but it also works the same way on any Xiaomi POCO F4 series. So in order to do that, we'll need to move to our settings. From here, scroll down and find battery. Click on it, and here you'll be able to enable ultra battery saving mode or change it to the slider right here to save battery, or performance like this. Now there's actually a second way to enable it, and if you scroll down your notification bar, then scroll down again, you can find save battery right here. You can enable it, and there's also ultra battery if you want as well. So let's go through the settings for now, and in order to actually access the settings for save battery, you'll need to press on this gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And here's the settings which you can change for the battery saving mode. And first one, battery saver. If you click on it, they will reveal more options. Battery saver can enable or disable right here. You have a little disclaimer what happens when you enable it. The optional optimization, and here's don't wake screen for notifications if you enable or disable it, and you have your phone locked. It won't wake when you get notifications. Next option is turn off always on display, and this will then enable or disable AOD on your phone when the mode is enabled. The last two options are other settings, which is turn off when charged. So when your battery reaches 50% or is fully charged, the power saving mode will turn off automatically. Next option is schedule time to switch between modes, and here you can enable it and then set time from where battery power saving mode will enable automatically. So after we get all of the settings, I can get you through actual information what it does. First thing is battery saver activates the following restrictions. It restricts the activity of system apps, so some of the system apps might not work properly or might be a bit slower. Next option is to freeze apps in the background, so if you're playing any games or anything that is active in the background, it will be stopped when you're in this mode. Next is clear cache whenever device is locked, so if you lock your device, all apps will be closed and the cache will be cleared, so that will save some memory and in the way save a battery. Next option is to turn off services and features with high power consumption, like for example, you have Google Photos and you keep uploading photos to the cloud automatically, so that won't happen when you're in the battery saver mode. And also what it does, it will stop your Google Assistant. So that's it for the battery saver. Let's move for ultra battery saver settings, and here you can change the same setting, which is turn off automatically when it reaches 50 or fully charged mode. You can also enable or disable ultra battery saver mode, and it changes your phone drastically. So now let's go back and see the time difference between these modes. So if we're keeping it at balance, it takes 10 hours and 53 minutes till our phone discharges. Right now it's 44%. If you go for save battery, it will add about 3 hours of lifetime to the battery. You can also change to performance mode, which works in backwards stage for this point, because it will improve performance but reduce the charge. Here, if you enable ultra battery saving mode, it will add about 25 hours of your battery lifetime. But if we enable it, you can see that it changed a lot of our phone, and we don't have normal home screen and no wallpaper. We only get phone dialer, contact list and messages. You can press the add button in order to add any app to be used in this mode, and our screen timeout changes drastically as well. Now let's exit that mode because we don't want it. Let's move back to the battery power saving mode. Options. Sorry, it should be right here. And Yeah, I think that's it for this video. I've shown you everything. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.